Here I am going to show you some illustrations of our upcoming chapter through which we can understand the concept better. So let's get started. Hello students. Let's learn about the data analysis using the graph. Graph is nothing but the pictorial way of data representation. Rather than using the tables, if the data is represented in the form of a bar graph or line graph or pie chart, then it is better understood and easily understood by anyone. So let's see some illustration and let's also learn how to plot the graph. Here is the first example. There are a score of cricket match and we have to plot the bar graph. First of all, let's understand some features of bar graph. First of all, we have to mention the scale, what scale we have taken for 1 unit. Okay, here the 1 unit means 1 square that is there in the bar graph. So 1 unit is equal to 10 runs. Okay, that we have to mention over here. Then here we have to write what x mentioned. Okay, here players are plotted in the x-axis and runs are plotted on the y-axis. Okay, so then according to the data table we have to draw the bar graph and we have to answer the questions that who has scored the maximum and who has done the least runs, that we have to answer. This is the second graph. Here the average rainfall of a city is given. Let's say city Surat. Okay, there from June to October month the rainfall is given in the centimeter and we have to plot the bar graph. So by seeing this data table, by seeing this graph, we can understand that in August and September the rainfall is the maximum. It is 45 centimeter average. Okay, and when it is the least, so in the October month it is the least rainfall in centimeter. This is the third example. Here is the data table C, and the marks of students are given in different subjects and we have to plot the bar graph. So this way the pattern is same. Here first we have to mention the scale. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Okay, here we have to always write a 0 and then start according to the numbers given in the question. Okay, but everywhere we have to keep the difference should be same. For example, first we have taken 10, then it should be always added 10 10 10 in each number. Okay, that pattern should be maintained. And here we have written the subjects on x-axis and on y-axis marks are there. So by seeing this graph we can answer the questions. If the question is in which subject the child has got the maximum marks, so we can see that in English he has got the maximum 80 marks. Okay, so this is the easy way to understand the data given, and we can reply very fast if the data is represented on the graphical way. This is the advantage of bar graph. Here is one more example. That is a survey of some students that are there in the school who play different sports like cricket, football, tennis, badminton, swimming, etc. And according to the data table we have plotted the bar graph. Scale is 10 division, that means 1 unit, that means 1 unit of the square. Okay, 1 means this square is for 1 unit. So 1 unit is equal to 10 students. Okay, here we have taken number of students and here we have written the sports, name of the sports. So accordingly here we have plotted the bars. Okay, so maximum students like cricket, after that football, and then for badminton and swimming the graph is same. That means the number of students are same who are interested in these two sports. Okay, and for tennis least number of students are interested. 20 means least here. Okay, so by this graphical representation we can reply fast, and we can understand better and easily. So that's it for today. We can do some more examples, and we can also observe the graph of different temperature or population chart. Okay, you must have seen in the news, newspapers, and also in the TV whenever the news comes. So you can observe the things in your surrounding and you can understand the graph. It is also there in share market. Okay, so students, I hope that you liked the video. Thank you.